Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel Belenge and I'll be guiding us on how to scan any document of our choice into PDF format or image format. Most of us would have one particular certificate or the other that would want to scan into a soft copy format or PDF format, and would be looking for a cyber cafe or someone who has a scanner who can do it for us. But we can be able to do any of this and achieve what we are looking for using our smartphone. Yes, we can do this with a smartphone, and I'll be showing you how to do that. It doesn't matter if you're using an Android smartphone or you're using an Apple smartphone. Any of them will do. All you just need to do is to download the app that I'm going to show you now. So the name of the app is Tap Scanner. You can see it here in my phone. That's the app, Tap Scanner, and this is the app we'll be using to scan our document and then convert it into PDF format. If you don't know how to get this app, all you just have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. Here's my Play Store. I'll be going to Play Store right now, and then you search. You click on the search. This is the search top here, at the top here. Just click inside there and then write the name of the app, Tap Scanner. You can see I'm typing that now. Once you type it, just search. So when you click on search, you see the app here. This is the app, Tap Scanner. And on your own phone, if you don't have it in your phone, you will see download here or install. Any of them, just download it and install in your phone. After you're done downloading it, then you just have to go to the Tap Scanner and then open it. Now I'm going to open my own. Here is mine. It's opening. Alright. So after you've opened the app, this is the app interface, the app environment. So all of these, you don't need to bother yourself about any of these. But if you look at the top here, you see if you want to convert image to PDF, maybe you have a picture in your phone that you have snapped, picture of a document that you have snapped and you want to convert it to PDF, you can just click on here, this one here, and it will convert that image to PDF. If you want to scan an ID card, you can click on this. So let's just leave all of this for now. Maybe in another video we'll talk about how to use all of this for our documentation. Alright, so what we want to learn today is how to scan a document into PDF or image format. So all we have to do is just to click on this plus button here, this plus button down here. So if you click on this plus, something will pop up. It will show you camera. So if you click on camera, it means you want to snap that document now and then convert it to PDF. But if you click on gallery, it means that you already have the picture of that document inside your phone, and when you click on gallery, it will open your gallery, and then you have to select where the picture is located in your gallery or in your file manager stored in your phone, and then upload it into the app so you can convert it to PDF. But now we'll be using the camera, right, since we have the documents right in front of us here now. So clicking on camera, you see the camera opens immediately after I tapped on the camera button. Now if you look up here, you will see a button that allows you to turn on your camera flashlight or turn it off. So right now it is off. If I tap on it again, it has been turned to automatic. That is, the phone will automatically detect if the light within the environment is bright enough to take picture of this particular document. If I tap it again, you see that the A on that flash icon has removed. That A being removed means that the flashlight is not going to turn on automatic by itself. So what it means now is that I have personally decided to put on the flash irrespective of whether the light within the environment is bright enough or not. So for now, I think I'm okay with the brightness of the light coming from the window I have here. So all I just want to do now is to turn off the flashlight because I don't need it. Alright, so looking at what I'm having here, this is a notebook and I want to scan this particular notebook into PDF. So I'm just going to do 1 or 2 pages and then show you how it goes. So this is the front page, just to show you that this app is a very powerful app. You can see that the app is detecting that this is a document. That's why you're seeing a kind of blue highlight inside the camera, automatically detecting the edge of the page or the edge of the paper or the book. Now if I bring another book, you find out that it is trying to detect the edge of all the edges of this particular paper I'm holding. Okay, So this is to tell you how powerful this particular app is. Okay, so now, and make sure that right under here, look at this place I'm tapping, make sure that this place here is on multi. That is to say you want to snap multiple pages, not only one. If I tap here, it means I want to snap only a single page. So make sure you have multi selected at every point you are trying to do your scan a document. Then if you move it here, it means you want to scan an ID card. If you move it here, it means you want to scan a passport. So let's just leave it at multi. So I'm going to start scanning this particular document. I will see how we can use it. So I'm holding it now up to capture the book very well. Make sure it is clear enough. Once it is clear and you're okay with how it is, just snap it. Now, one other good thing about this app is that after you're done snapping, you can still edit it. So now I've taken the front page of this particular note. Now I want to take this other page. Okay, so I'm going to position it well in a way that I am seeing everything clearly. Okay, so you see all the write-up inside this note is showing clearly. Then I'm going to snap. So one thing you need to know is that it doesn't matter whether the blue highlights, that blue highlight that is capturing the edges of the notebook. Now it doesn't matter whether that highlight is highlighting or is covering the page completely or not. Just know that you can adjust it later anyhow you want. So I'm going to capture this other page. I'm going to capture it now. Like I said, we are going to take only 3 pages. So this is the second page. I'm snapping, and then this is the last page that I'm going to take for today. So this is where we are snapping in this button here. So when I click this button to capture, all right. So once we are done snapping, what is the next thing to do? We have to click here, this place here that I'm showing you now, this place that I'm cycling. So just tap there. Once you tap it, you will see all the pictures that you've taken will display. Now it is displaying in editing mode. In this mode you can manually adjust the edges of the page that you just snapped to any one that you want. So let's say for instance, this box you're seeing here, this box that is looking at an outline on the page, I can be able to adjust it from this edge here, or this edge, or the left side, right side. Anywhere you see cycle, it means you can be able to hold that point. If you tap and hold there, you can be able to hold it and adjust it to any extent of your choice. So looking at this now, you find out that of course this is covering all the edges of the page, the places that I want to be covered. Maybe I don't want all this side in this particular page. I can be able to adjust it and drag it up here like this. Maybe I don't want the downside of this note to be showing, so I can adjust it up. And then look at this place, you find out that it is not really, there's a slight adjustment that I need to make here so that it can properly cover the note well. And then look at this place here. Yes, look at this place here. I can also cover this place as well. So well, let's say for this particular note, I don't want all of this place. I want it to be cut to this place like this. So once I click on this particular next arrow, it takes me to the next picture that I took. Okay, it take me to the next picture that I took. Now this particular picture, how do I want to adjust it? If you look here, you find out that if you look at this point, you find out that I've already cut out some of the write-up inside this page. I can just hold here, just hold this particular cycle, this one here, and adjust it anywhere I want. Yes, I can adjust it anywhere I want. So after adjusting it, if you look here, you find out that there's a vacant space here that I need to cover. I can just move it like this and then adjust it to the way I want. Now one thing you need to know is that even if as you adjust it, it is bent like this, it is bent like this. See how this top side is bent? Even if it is bent like this, when you are done with all your editing, the app will automatically straighten it and make sure that that side is not bent. It will automatically straighten it for you. All right, so this is it. Then I'll go to the next page. Okay, I think there is a small lag in the previous one. This side, let me adjust it. All right, the next one. So let me just quickly edit this one as you just watch. All right. So look at this place now. You see how this side is bent. When I am done with this editing, the app automatically straighten it for me. It won't be bent like this at the end. Okay, take note of that. The next one, I think this one is okay like this. Let me just adjust here a little and adjust here a little, and here a little, and here. All right, and here. Okay, so I think I'm okay with it this way, like this. So once you see, this is the last picture that I took. There's no other thing left for me to forward to, no other document that was scanned. So after you're done with all this editing, mind you, sometimes you might find out that this page, maybe as you were snapping, you mistakenly snapped it upside down. You can use this rotate button here, this rotate button, to rotate it any way you want so that it can be aligned properly. Okay, so you can use this rotate and this rotate, or maybe you snapped one and it wasn't clear enough. You can just tap on this delete button and it will delete that particular one. So once you're done with all your editing, all you just need to do is click on this next. Now if you tap on the next, it will crop the image and then convert it into a photocopied format. Now look at all what is displaying here. It's showing, what this means is that how do you want the final PDF to look like? Do you want the original? If you want the original, the way you snap it, let it look like that, just tap on this original. So this is the original image. You can toggle within each of them that you snapped to see how it looks like. So you can see this is all the things that I scanned. Remember the one I told you that bent? This one, this is the one that bent so much. You can see how I straightened it. See, you can see how I straightened it. Look at the next one that I snapped. See how all the edges are straight. There are no errors. Everything was just smooth. Now you can either choose to make it print out or make it scan and give you a PDF format that is exactly the same as the original picture that I took, or you can decide to make the app to automatically decide how the output will be. So let us just look scan through the whole pictures and then see how the auto looks like. So this is the first one, this is the second one. So this is how it looks like when it's on auto. You see, so if I change it now to perfect, see how it looks like. This is perfect, this is lighting, this is spark. So just toggle around all of them and then choose which display suits whatever requirements that you have. This might not be looking at its best now, but by the time you toggle through all of them, you will find the particular one that is best, that gives you the best display. And also note that you can also adjust the brightness of that particular page from here. You can adjust the brightness to any one of your choice, or you can adjust the contrast to any one of your choice. So adjusting and playing around with all of these would help you, give a final display that would be perfect for whatever you want to do. Okay, so once you're done with all your editing, you just click on save here. All right, so looking at it, I'm okay with it, so I clicked on save to be loading the stuff for you. Once it is done saving, you will see your final document that was prepared. So now you see, this is the final document. This is how it looks like at the end of everything. Now let's say for any reason you don't really like the way each of this particular document is. For any reason, after you finish, you say, this is not supposed to be read, I don't like it the way it is. You can also tap on that particular image and then go back to filter. Once you go back to filter, you can readjust it to any one of your choice. Okay, that is one thing you need to know. Or maybe you find out that man, this thing I don't like it, or this thing I need to change it, it's not looking real or it's not looking nice. You can decide to retake the picture. So when I click on retake, it will open my camera for me to take that particular picture again. So maybe you scanned it and it was blur, you can take it again and then snap. Once I take it again, you see it has snapped. I can just click on next, and then you see I can readjust it to whatever area I want, and then I click on next, crop it, and that is it. I can decide, okay, I don't want it to be that, I want it to be auto, and look at it, auto save. Then you see that that particular one is saved as the way I expected it to be. This one, let's say for instance I don't like the way it's displaying, I can decide to change the filter. Oh sorry, alright, memory is low. Okay, so that is it for this particular conversion of our documents into PDF. Okay, so when you're done with all your editing, you can just go to the top here, tap on it. If you just tap on it, look at this place, if you tap on this place, you'll be able to rename this particular document that you have edited. So let's say I want to change the name to SS1 ICT note. Done. Let me say I want to use this name. I can just change the name to that. Okay, and then I'll click on this button. This button here is download. I've finished scanning the document and doing everything I want. I need to download it now. So how do you want to save this file in your phone? Do you want to save it as export as? Do you want to save it as a PDF, or you want to save it as an image? So you choose among the two. Which one do you want to save it as? Alright, if I choose on PDF, if I click on save, it will save it as PDF file. If I click on image, if I save it, it will save it as an image. All the pictures I snap, it will just save all of them as image, the way I have formatted it here. Okay, so now I want to convert it to PDF. This is PDF. Then how do you want the quality of the PDF to be? That is the graphic display of the scanned document. If you are using this app as a free user, you only be limited to regular. Okay, that's where it will be. But if you are subscribed, that is, you are paid for the app, then you can have access to maximum quality display. All right, so I am already subscribed to this app, so that is, I am subscribed to the paid version of the app, so it means that I have access to the maximum set quality. And then after I've set it to the maximum, I can then click on save. So once I click on save, you see it saving. Now it has saved completely in my phone. I can go to my phone file manager. All right, my file manager, and then look for it, and then go to download. Once you go to download, look for tab scanner. All right, this is tab scanner. Open tab scanner. You can see that this is what I just finished editing. That is the document I scanned. You see the name I changed it to. All right, so now you open it. Let's wait for it to load. All right, so you can see that